Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Zebra scanner and making sure it has sufficient battery, low power blocks pairing. Once on, put the scanner into Bluetooth advertising mode via its specific key sequence so it broadcasts. On your phone or terminal, open Bluetooth settings and set the device to discoverable. This allows the scanner to be seen. Make sure you know the model number and default PIN because you'll need it during pairing. Now confirm both devices are within 1 meter to avoid signal interference and proceed to the next step. You will now pair and configure the host. Choose the Zebra device from the discovered list and when prompted enter the PIN. This completes the basic Bluetooth link. Once paired, decide which profile you need. HID keyboard for simple input or SBP for serial data. Change this on the scanner using its function keys or the OEM utility. If you need persistent use, rename the device and enable trusted pairing in host Bluetooth settings so reconnection is automatic. Make sure the host app listens on the chosen profile before testing scans. You finish by testing a scan into the application or plain text field. That confirms end-to-end connectivity. Once done, finalize settings. Save profile, set auto reconnect, and optionally disable discovery to secure the scanner. If scanning yields no input, first reboot both devices, then have the host forget the Zebra and repair using the correct PIN. If problems persist, update scanner firmware or switch between HID and SBP profiles, because incorrect profile selection or outdated firmware are the most common failures. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.